Good morning, everyone. It is super early. It is a little after 7, and we're here basically to do a food drive, packing food to give away 300 bags to people for Thanksgiving. So we're here to do that. So please, welcome to Why Not. I forgot to say that, y'all. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notifications every time that I post. Please also share it with everyone so my channel can grow and go to Tyra's Big World of Flavor. Do the same for her. And happy day. Let me show y'all what's going on. Why not? Why not?
Kick.
Why not? And it's your competition.
Everybody shake your baby.
Why not? Alright, y'all, these are the pallets of things. It's the dry side over here. And these are some of the volunteers. They got the guys doing the heavy lifting. They got the guys doing the heavy lifting. And this is the wet side, the cold side over here. So we got 300 bags to pack up. And they also have a clothing drive as well that they're getting done. So y'all, I'm just trying to move and stay busy because like I said, it's early in the morning. And your girl trying to stay awake. Yes, I am. But yeah, I'll be back just to show y'all a little bit what everyone's doing. It'll probably be something short and quick, but we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna show you, and I hope you all are doing the same for others during this holiday and any other day, because the need is big. I say plethora of things needed for times like this and even times after this, because there are so many people out there that are in need of food, clothing. The homeless population is astronomical. So yeah, please, if you have anything extra, give it. Just because you don't have to wait for an event like this, just give it, you know, and help someone out. Alright, yeah. I'll see y'all later. I'm bagging a flag. You got Tyra. What's your name?
Tyra.
Alright, here we go. Okay. Girl, I'm broken sweat. Yeah, but yeah, getting a lot done. I'm on hand duty. Right here, bagging. This is the assembly line. Let me show you from the other side. This is the assembly line for this one. Getting the job done. Got people over here breaking everything down. Have several bags over here already packed. So we have hens, pie, crust, cheese, eggs, Jiffy Mix, and that's the dry side over there. But let me get back to work before they call me out. All right. Oh, again. Yes.
350 hens.
Yeah.
We made it.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm outside now. I just want to show y'all the line of cars that are out here waiting. I know, I'm talking to them. Alright, y'all, this is a line right here. And it goes all the way back to here. They're actually parked in the parking lot, and they got them like different rows going in. So all of these cars over here, they're not parked. They're actually waiting to come and pick up their bags. And we're at the Health and Wellness Center at Brooklyn Baptist Church. Great deeds are being done. People are happy to be here and work to do it. I don't know if y'all saw earlier, but yeah, I had to go out to my car, get my little stool. I ain't mind working, but your girl got back problems. So I had to go get my stool so I can have a seat, but continue to work. And y'all, we did it. We bagged 350 hens. And some of those hens were the size of like little turkeys. Here we go. These some of the bags. Some of them already packed up over on the table. All right. Eggs, fresh collards, eggs, rice, people picking them up. Oh yes, fresh collards. Yes, y'all, that's it. That's it. Now we're gonna go eat us a little something to eat. All right, we're on our breakfast break. We're gonna come in and eat breakfast, then go pick up some other little items. We already went to the flea market. I missed that video at. But we're gonna eat our breakfast. I'll let y'all eat a little bit with me, but I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast because I'm gonna start getting my Zen mode. So when I get home, I'm going to sleep. Okay. I got it like I was going to work, so I'm going ahead and nap until I can. Alright, so I'll be back when the food gets ready. So, here's the after the seasoning. Y'all ain't gonna want to see the after I'm done. Might just be that little juice right there on the plate. Here's my breakfast. Lord, we want to thank you for this food we're about to receive. Help us to nourish our body. And these words as in your son Jesus' name we pray. That's the good. Which way that's not the chicken and the the rice and the spaghetti? There's some good big noodles. Am I good?
I don't like when you just start spaghetti though.
Huh?
I don't like when you just start spaghetti.
I didn't mean to call it spaghetti. You about to eat the grits? Huh?
Why would I just eat the grits, Mama?
That's why you put the grits closer to you. That's all you doing that.
Your stand is right now.
How about you wait your first one right there? When we leave from here, we got to pick up some stuff for the house. I was going to do it before we came here. But Mike was ready to eat.
We need some awesome spray.
The orange pie? I think they sell it there too. Didn't we see that last time? I think we did. I feel like I need a little bit more salt. My grits.
You would season it like mine? You wouldn't need no salt. For mine? Or the liquid?
Yeah. It's not bland.
This is delicious.
It is. Yeah, we trying to decide whether or not we're going to do lizard ticket or Cracker Barrel. And y'all see who went out. Something I know I was gonna enjoy.
And I was gonna try to get something different, but
I know I was.
I'm glad I did.
She would have been staring at me.
Yeah, I definitely would have asked for some of yours.
And I was looking out there.
I remember back in the day when I used to get something else. You used to always leave me like a couple pieces.
Yeah, I let her order off the 55 meals for the older people. And she, you know, got bigger from, instead of going to the kid meals, I let her order off the 55 meals. You remember that?
Yeah, if I order off the kids menu.
And then I leave her some of the real
I
tips.
remember this one time.
I'm so happy they got this on their menu.
I think we were at Applebee's. I was gonna order off the kids menu and get macaroni, and you was like, why would you get macaroni? He was like, you're not gonna get no macaroni.
You would have been mad, because I knew you would have been mad. Them noodles that ain't like real macaroni, baked in the oven, you would have been mad.
Well, one time I tried to order off the kids menu.
And y'all know I normally don't eat mushrooms.
No, yeah, these mushrooms are good. The eggs don't really add nothing. I just like them. I just eat them with it. But then you see them again and it's like, what are you doing with your life? Why are you back here? You see me? I don't even know if I'm gonna visit once.
I used to visit all the time.
Like during school? I'm talking about during school. Yeah.
That's because I like my teachers. I don't like my school, so.
Yeah, it's too much.
My mama worked there, so I want to see her.
Yeah, that's different. Cause it's this one time she was a trainer.
Alright, y'all. See y'all later.
Why not? Why not?
Kick.
Why not? And it's your
That means you some true competition.
Everybody shake your baby.
why not?